Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can turn off direct messages on Twitter. So, to begin with, you need to open your settings, which you can do by expanding the settings in support drop-down menu, then enter the settings in privacy, go for privacy and safety category, onwards enter direct messages section, and in here just turn off the allow message request from everyone toggle. And from here, the only people that will be able to message you will be the ones that you follow. So in order to restrict anybody from sending you the instant messages, just, do not have any people that you follow, any followings. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.